Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, when you say is this applicable, you have a removal order apparently, and later you believe you qualify to adjust status through a U.S. citizen wife. The nature of your question would indicate that you think that even with a removal order, you can get married to a U.S. citizen and the removal order disappears and magically you can adjust status, and that's not the case. Once you have a removal order, that needs to be taken care of. One way or another, it needs to be taken care of. Now, theoretically, if you get the removal order and they actually remove you and you are, gone for 10 years, assuming you're not an aggravated felon or a repeat illegal entry offender, you would then be able to at least get past the deportation bar, but that doesn't mean that you would be able to get past the other bars that might make you inadmissible, such as, criminal history, fraud, things like that. If you're in the US, which I suspect you are, even after the removal order, then for sure the removal order doesn't just disappear, and it doesn't matter how many years, except in very few jurisdictions, you are still going to have that removal order, and it is the immigration court that has jurisdiction over your case, not USCIS. I can't tell you the number of people who unfortunately think this is the case. They think they've beat the system. They go to the interview for the adjustment, and not only do they get that denied, but at the adjustment interview, immigration takes them into custody. And then because they already have a removal order, they're deported. Okay? So it's not going to just disappear. Okay, if it were, people would just get removal orders all the time, stay here, find some other way, and think that they could go on their merry way. So it's doable and it's fixable, but not in the manner that you're trying to do here. First of all, I'd need to know why it was you were removed or ordered removed. What the case was. See if we can get a motion to reopen pending, so that perhaps if the motion to reopen is granted, you would then be allowed. Okay, I think my timer stopped there. So I was saying you need to be able to go back into court, and then if the court has jurisdiction, then you can get things filed and ultimately adjust in court. But there's other ways as well. It's just not pretending the removal order didn't happen. Okay.